How I ended up as a software engineer. Today I'm gonna tell you about my life story, how I become a software engineer, and maybe you're gonna get a benefit from it, and I believe you will. I grew up in Pakistan, which is a beast country of software fields and IT engineerings and cybersecurities, and I had my early education in Pakistan. When I get admission in my university, which was the Federal University of Pakistan, which is a beast and which is amazing university for the IT fields, there was a lot of student who was very good with the programming, IT and networking, and I was very motivated with those things, and I become more interested in that field. So when I decided to get specialization in software engineering, which has helped me a lot, like my seniors, the other companies where I did kind of internships, and I did a lot of work twice a day, maybe double or triple you can say, from home, from office thing, and then I opened my small office for the internees to become good programmer, because I was inspired from my seniors and I wanted to become better than anyone, and I want to expand my company like a software company as an international company, right? That pushes me a lot to work harder and harder, double and triple shifts a day you can say. When I was about to graduate from the university, I started a small own business, which is I had 3-4 computers, and some of my colleagues were internees in the beginning, and we started the business and we offering the services step by step, in city, then in country, and then international, and that's how the business started. And when I graduated, the business has become more better because I started the business when I was about to graduate. So when I complete my education, my business was become stable, more stable, and my business became better. In order to graduate from Federal University of Pakistan, there's a lot of challenges you're gonna face it. The assignments, you have to be present, you need to take every class, every single class, and then you will have a lot of assignments that you need to submit day by day. But then when you graduate, you face the reality, because that graduation part, the harder part, pushed my business more, and it's become more stable. It's I got a lot of search abilities, I got a lot of articles abilities, because before graduation I was thinking who gonna read these articles and this and that. But during the exams times and the preparation of the final year projects and the assignments, we have my all class have to research in each and everything, and that's how I got experience, a lot of experience about searching. And from YouTube, I got a lot of help from YouTube and some website like W3 School and some different websites. And that's my advice. I want to give this to everyone. You have to take your business to the next level. How to take your business to the next level? You have to think internationally. You have to have international brain. Then you will start the services. Then you will start selling your services all over the world, from city to province or state, and from state to the country, and then international. And believe me, this software field, the IT field all over the world, that is so much one. It's an easy field to earn a lot of money in short time, and that's what the world's need, and that's what the future will be, and that's what actually the corona teach us. Only the software businesses was work from home. How they are work from home? Because they have just need laptop and they need to sit back and chill and work. The only business which was survive in corona was the online businesses, IT services, software engineering, technical fields, which you normally doing from work from home. So that's the fields which is survive in corona. And I believe you are watching this video because you are interested in the IT and software engineering. And if you are really interested in this, I would suggest you to get some knowledge. And if you are students, study this major. And if you are not student, you can still get this knowledge from the outsourced platforms like W3 School, Udemy, Coursera. There's a lot website that you can learn a lot of things in very short time. And you can become more professional in the short time, because the IT field and the software engineering, it's not limited, not for the age, not for the time. It's you can do everything anytime from anywhere. This is the beauty of this field, and financially it will really make your life better. I hope you like the video. If you like it, smash the like button, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and see you in another video. Take care.